Hello. Now this mask will move automatically. Just kidding, guys. But we'll show you how to make a mask. So first, you need to fold it 1/3. Then again 1/3. Then make it into a half. And then add a rubber inside. Like this. There you will see. And then do the same from the other side. Same from the other side. And then stretch the rubbers out. No. Then. And then fold it. Like that. And like that. Ta-da! A mask. I will see. See, now you see how is our mask idea. Please don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. Please hit the bell icon. Bye. Oh yeah, I forgot. Look how it looks. Perfect, and you'll be able to breathe in it because it's cotton, and plus cotton can keep you safe. So bye.